Welcome dear students in the 7th standard maths class. In the previous video we have completed second chapter. Now today we will start the next chapter, SCF and LCM. SCF's long form is highest common factor and LCM is lowest common multiple. Okay, we will see detail in this chapter. Which is the smallest prime number? Very simple. Firstly, we will see the definition of prime number. Prime numbers are divisible only by the number 1 or itself. Very simple, means it has only two factors, 1 and number itself. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, etc. These are the prime numbers. And according to the factors, there are two types, prime number and composite number. So composite numbers are the natural numbers. Natural number means all positive numbers have more than two factors are called composite numbers. See, some examples are given here. 4. Which are the factors of 4? 1, 2. Factor means a divisor. Factor means divisor. 1, 2 and a number itself means it has more than two factors. Therefore, 4 is a composite number. Next example, see here. See the factors of 6. 1. 1 is the factor of every number. 2 because 2 3s are 6, 3 and a number itself. So again 6 has the more than two factors. So 6 is a composite number. Now again see the 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So 12 also has the more than two factors. So 12 is also composite number. There are so many composite numbers. Now next point is list the prime numbers from 1 to 50. How many are they? See the students, I have written already here 1 to 50 numbers. So here we find out the prime numbers from 1 to 50. See, 1 is neither prime number nor composite number. So 2 is a prime number because it has only two factors, 2 and 1. 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 26, 27, 28, 29 is the prime number. 31 is also prime number because it has only two factors. 37, 41, 43. And 47. Okay, so these are the prime numbers from 1 to 50. So how many they are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So these are the prime numbers from 1 to 15 and how many they are? 15. Understood all the students? And one important thing is that in the even numbers only 2 is the prime number because from 4 each and every even number has the more than 2 factors, means from the 4 each and every even number are the composite number. Understood? Now the next point, circle the prime numbers in the list below. Very simple, we know that 17 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, 2, 23, 41, 43, 51, 72, 79 and 97. These are the prime numbers. Okay. Now the next, see the definition. Co-prime numbers. Two numbers which have only one as a common factor are said to be co-prime number or relatively prime or mutually prime numbers. Very simple. Two numbers which have only one as a common factor. See here, one example already given, 10 and 21. So which are the factors of 10? 1, 2, 5 and 10. These are the factors of 10, and 1, 3, 7 and 21 are the factors of 21. See the common in that? Yes, only one is common in this. So 10 and 21 are the co-prime numbers. Understood? Now other examples are given here. 3, 8, 4, 9, 21, 22, 22, 23, 23, 24. See these examples. 21, 22 means successor of 21 is 22. Now 23 is a successor of 22 and 24 is a successor of 23. Means every consecutive numbers are the co-prime numbers because they has only one common factor. Understood? Verify that any two consecutive natural numbers are co-prime. Yes, because they have only one common factor. Now twin prime numbers. If the difference between two, not a co is here, printing mistake is here. Please all the students make the correction. If the difference between two prime number is a 2, the numbers are said to be two prime numbers. For example, here so many examples are given. 3 and 5 are prime numbers and their difference is 2. So it is a prime numbers. It is a twin prime numbers. 5, 7, 11, 13, 29, 31 are the twin prime numbers. Understood? Now next topic is practice set 10. Which number is neither a prime number nor a composite number? All of you know that is a 1. Very simple. Which of the following are pairs of co-prime numbers? So firstly we find out the factors of each pair. Okay. So the first pair is 8 and 14. So divisors of 8, we know that 1, 2, 4 and 8. Now divisors of 14, 1, 2, 7 and number itself means 14. Now common factors are, which are the common factors here? 1 and 2. 1 and 2. So 8 and 14 has the 1 and 2 common factors. So therefore 8 and 14 is not pair of co-primes. Very simple. Now second, divisors of 4 and 5. Second question. So divisors of 4 are 1, 2, 4 and 5, 1 and number itself because it is a prime number. So common factors are only 1. And we know that what is the definition of co-prime number? When the two number has only one is a common factor, then they are called as co-prime number. So 4 and 5 is a pair of co-primes. You can put the bracket also. Now see the third example. 17 and 19 both are prime numbers, so they are co-prime numbers. So let us verify that. Divisors of 17, 1 and 17. Divisors of 19, 1 and 19, because both are prime numbers. So common factor is only 1. So 17 and 19 is a pair of co-primes. Okay. Now fourth, 27 and 15. So divisors of 27, 1, 3, 9 and 27. Now divisors of 15, 1, 3, 5 and 15. Now take the common factors 1 and 3. So therefore 27 and 15 is not a pair of co-primes. Okay. Now see the third question. List the prime numbers from 25 to 100 and say how many they are. So I have written here the list from 25 to 100. So now find out the prime numbers from 25 to 100. So 28, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 50, 51, 52, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, 97. Okay, all these are the prime numbers from 25 to 100. So how many they are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So the 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, 97. There are 16 prime numbers from 25 to 100. Fourth question. Write all the twin prime numbers from 51 to 100. I have written here the numbers from 51 to 100. So 51 is not a prime number. 52, 53, 53 is prime number, but 55 and 51 is not prime number. 56, 57, 58, 59 is a prime number. and 61 also prime number. So this is the first pair of twin prime numbers. See, 59 to 61, because both are prime numbers and their difference is 2. Now the 62, 63, 64, 65, 66 are not prime numbers. 67 is a prime number, but 65 and 69 are not prime numbers. Now the next is 71 is a prime number, and 73 also prime number, and their difference is 2. Okay, so second pair is 71 and 73. Now the next 79 is a prime number, but 77 or 81 both are not prime numbers. Next 83 is a prime number, but 81 and 85 are not prime numbers. 89 is a prime number, but 87 and 91 are not prime numbers. 97 is a prime number, but 95 and 99 are not prime numbers. So there are only 2 pairs of twin prime numbers from 51 to 100. Fifth question, write 5 pairs of twin prime numbers from 1 to 50. We already know the prime numbers from 1 to 50. We just check the difference between 2 prime numbers is a 2 or not. So here first pair is a 3 and a 5. So write down first pair, 3, 5. Next 5 and 7. Both are prime numbers and their difference is a 2. Now the next pair is 11 and 13. Next 29 and 31. 41 and 43. So these are the 5 pairs of twin prime numbers from 1 to 50. There is one more pair, is a 17 and 19. So you can choose any 5. 17 and 19. Okay. Sixth question, which are the even prime numbers? So I already told you there is only one even prime number, and that is a 2. Okay. So now practice set 10 is over. Thank you.